South Australia is investing in early childhood education and care because every child deserves a flying start in life. From 2026, some 3-year-old children in South Australia will begin receiving teacher-led preschool, up to 15 hours a week. Some may be eligible for the Preschool Plus program, depending on their needs. By 2032, all 3-year-old children in South Australia will have access to 3-year-old preschool. The evidence is clear. 2 years of preschool are better than 1. All children benefit, especially those with additional needs or who are experiencing disadvantage or vulnerability. Quality, play-based learning, led by early childhood teachers, helps children thrive when they are young and builds stronger foundations for their future. Here's what's new and important. If a child attends a long daycare service funded to deliver 3-year-old preschool, they will receive their program there. A child cannot be enrolled in another funded 3-year-old preschool program at the same time. This is different from 4-year-old preschool. All children will continue to be eligible for a place in 4-year-old preschool in a government service, regardless of whether they are enrolled in a long daycare service on other days. Aboriginal children will retain their existing access to 3-year-old preschool in government preschools, as will children in care. If a child is already attending an early childhood service partnering to deliver 3-year-old preschool, good news! The child will be automatically eligible to receive 3-year-old preschool. If a child is not enrolled in a long daycare funded to deliver 3-year-old preschool, the child may be able to attend another long daycare service, or a government or non-government preschool offering this program. From mid-2025, families can visit the Office for Early Childhood Development website to discover all services who will be offering 3-year-old preschool. Remember, children can only access one funded 3-year-old preschool program at a time. Places will be subject to the rollout and availability. More services will join the program each year, with places building up across the life of the reforms. And in high-demand areas, the government will invest in new infrastructure to create more preschool places. Children will be eligible to access up to 2 years or 8 terms of funded preschool in the 2 years before school. Some children might be younger than 3 when they become eligible for preschool. An age calculator will be available from mid-2025 to support families to identify when children are eligible to enrol and start 3-year-old preschool. Services must offer at least 6 intake opportunities per year. This helps make sure children get the most out of their 2 years of preschool. Find out more about eligibility and access in the Policy and Funding Guide, available on the OECD website. By 2032, all South Australian children will have access to 3-year-old preschool. Some children will be prioritised to access 3-year-old preschool, especially during the rollout. This includes Aboriginal children, children in out-of-home care, children referred to the 30-hour Preschool Plus program, and children with additional needs or vulnerabilities. This is a big step forward for early learning in South Australia, and it's just the beginning. Together, we're giving every child the flying start they deserve. To learn more, visit earlychildhood.sa.gov.au.